Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I'm going to be doing some swatches on the lipsticks that I decided to pick up from the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics launch. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that she's finally came out with a brand. I feel like it's so crazy, and I wasn't really expecting a nude launch, but I feel like that is very her and up her alley. So we're going to be swatching, unboxing. I'm going to talk about some disappointments that I had with the brand. But anyways, if you're new, before we get started, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. I post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or I'm trying a new schedule where it's going to be Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So we'll see how that works out, and click the bell notification. I'm not going to keep you here too long for the intro because I know I'm excited to dive in. I haven't opened this because I want to do it on camera. But anyway, so here's what the packaging looks like. It has J's all over it, and I actually just got this in yesterday. So like, one of my issues or complaints that I have is that I paid for expedited shipping because I wanted to get this video up for you guys pretty fast, and I paid, I think it was like $12 for shipping, and I just now got it like almost a whole entire week later, where I know a lot of people got theirs sooner that maybe didn't even pay for expedited shipping, which sucks. I think I saw that some people got theirs refunded. I mean, I checked my bank account and girl, I didn't have that money back in there. So either way, here's what the packaging looks like. Now, the ones that I picked up are That Girl Sophia and Perfectionist. And I'm not sure exactly which bundle this is, but it was a bundle that they had for sale. I actually had 2 bundles in my cart. I got online as soon as the site was up. I was so excited. I put both of these in my cart, tried to check out, and it kept giving me an error after I would check out through PayPal. So I tried to check out with my card, and then it kicked me out. And then it said that one of the trios was sold out. So I got back on, got on another computer, and it was just a hot mess. I felt like, I mean, I know it's not going to go smooth like her first round, and I literally like love Jaclyn. I've supported every single thing that she's ever came out with, but it sucks because I really wanted to get the 2 lip bundles. I didn't want to go for all of them because I'm not like a huge nude fan, but yeah, so I kind of wish that that would have been a little bit easier. But here's what the packaging looks like. Now, so far, I will say this feels like a really good packaging. It has almost like, I don't know, crisscrosses of the packaging. You guys might be able to see it. I cannot think of the word right now. And then it also has like, oh, Nude Moment Lip Trio is what I got. And it has the information about customer service. And it also says that purchases made on our website may be returned up to 30 days. So that's really great. So we're going to swatch all 3 of these. Which one do I want to start with? I want to kind of end on Perfectionist because I feel like it would probably go the best with my look. So the first one is called That Girl. And yeah, it just feels like overall like high quality as far as the packaging goes. I mean, it feels really nice. It kind of reminds me of like Marc Jacobs or something. Okay, so here, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I mean, I saw it online, but not in person. Here's what it looks like. It is so sparkly and pretty, and it has the really nice diamond at the top. Let me give you all a close up. Okay, so there it goes. I'm sure you guys have saw this by now. Okay, so there's the diamond on it. Overall, I'm really digging this packaging. I hope she continues to like give us a really good quality packaging like this. And then you roll it up, and here is the lipstick. Whew. Okay, so this is That Girl. And let's swatch it on the hand. I feel like what's going to happen is I'm majorly going to have regrets about not getting the whole set now that I'm swatching it. Oh, okay, so here's this. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the lips. I don't have anything on my lips. I just took that off. First thing I notice is it's super creamy. It doesn't really have a smell, in my opinion. So here is That Girl. I mean, I like it. I think it looks really good. And, you know, I'm super tan, so I feel like if you guys have a tan, this would probably be a good comparison for you on how it's going to look. I wonder what it would look like even with a gloss on top of it. I'm like, do I have any glosses around here? I don't think so, but here I am. This is That Girl. Let me zoom y'all in. Goodness gracious. Okay, so here's That Girl. If you can't already tell, I am liking it. So, okay, next one's Sophia, and this one looks like it's going to be a little bit darker. Again, gorgeous packaging. It's like a darker nude. That is my color store. Yes. Okay. I want to make sure my lips are good and coated. And I do feel like it is pretty pigmented. So here is Sophia. I feel like on the hand it looks like it has more of a purpley undertone. But I almost feel like on me it looks like it has more of like a brownie undertone. Sophia. Okay, and then the very last one that I picked up is Perfectionist. I just can't get over how pretty this packaging is. Here is Perfectionist in the tube. And let's go ahead and swatch it. I feel like it looks like pretty similar to the one I just swatched. I hate to say this, but I feel like the first one might end up being my favorite. What do y'all think? I think the first one's probably my favorite because I feel like that one's like the most nude. The other set that I had in my bag was like the lightest nudes. And honestly, I was kind of freaking out and just went ahead and checked this out. I wanted to get more, but I was so scared that they were going to sell out and then I didn't want to repay for shipping. But here are the three I got. Again, I got the Nude Moment Lip Trio. So here they are in all their glory. I am really proud of Jaclyn for coming out with her brand. I'm like so glad it's finally here because I feel like it took so long. But I think for the price that she is selling these for, this is probably the nicest packaging that I have saw on lipsticks. I mean, like Marc Jacobs are $32 and I don't even feel like the packaging is as nice as this. So I hope that she'll be bringing us like luxury bling, like everything that I expect to come after this is gonna like have to be as good as this was. You know what I mean? So anyways, let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? Did you pick any shades up? Are you down with nude lipsticks? And I'm excited about these shades. I think the first one's just going to be like my favorite overall, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I love you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.